Everyone who aims for something has the end goal as his or her pinnacle. However, pinnacle is not where it ends. Rather, it is the place where things start. It is the place where you push your limits and widen your horizons. The journey of Pinnacle, the placement cell of Ramjas College, has been something similar. Launched in 2012, the placement cell has grown multifold over its 9 years, and the success of the cell has been an exemplary one. So let us share the experiences of some of our students.
Hello everyone, my name is Simran. I completed my Maths Honours from Ramjas College last year in 2020. So, I got placed in one company through Pinnacle, the placement cell of our college, and I would like to share with you that I had a really smooth experience with the cell. The cell is really hardworking and understanding, and apart from organizing regular placement drives, they also made us had an interaction session with the alumni of our college who work in corporate sector. It really helped us to ace our skills in the interviews and GDs and everything else. So yes, the placement cells is really nice, and I really want to thank everybody in the cell.
Hi, this is Karthik Sharma, and thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Coming to the placement drive this year, it was really great as I got selected in 2 companies. Also, I would like to thank all the members of Placement Cell because they helped me very much. Like they regularly updated me about the regular updates from the companies, and yes, I also got to learn many things. Like I overcame my fear of interviews and I improved my communication skills.
Hey guys, I'm Mohit Rajajawan, a BCom program final year student. So recently, thanks to Pinnacle, I got placed as a career development executive in a edtech company called Jaro Education. So despite the pandemic and the scarcity of jobs available in our country, Pinnacle has been doing a great job to ensure that the students of our college get placed in the top companies and to ensure that they have a great first step into their respective careers. So a big shout out to the entire team of the placement cell, and I hope that you guys continue doing such a great job throughout this session and for the upcoming sessions as well.
Hey there, this is Pranay Kapoor, and here I am to appreciate the efforts of Pinnacle, the placement cell of Ramjas College. Pinnacle is known to have been providing a great number of opportunities for the internships as well as the training sessions by the way of webinars. Throughout the pandemic period also, I have got to learn a lot of skills and opportunities by the help of Pinnacle. So thank you, Pinnacle.
We've heard from the students, and now let's see what goes into making this. The team of Pinnacle for the session of 2020 to 21 comprises of hard-working individuals who give and put their everything into bringing best companies for our college. We also had a core team of 11 members who managed and supervised the entire cell with utmost diligence and cooperation. The placement cell was initiated taking into consideration the desire of the students to utilize the educational and vocational training that they received within the campus in the business environment. The placement cell acts as an interface between the industry and the students and primarily enables the students to select from their career options. It facilitates the selection process of all the companies according to their requirements. Besides providing job and internship opportunities, the placement cell also arranges and conducts seminars, workshops, and training programs to enable the students to become successful professionals. Nowadays, recruiters from big corporations pay more attention to your curriculum vitae along with the academic transcripts and ask more skill-based practical questions. They carefully check the skill level of the candidates. When they see a certificate of training or merit in a particular discipline, it assures a recruiter that he is really interested in the field and has taken extra pain to learn it and grow his expertise. Therefore, to benefit the students of Ramjas, from the top-notch courses to stay productive and get their hands on the top skills that the industry demands, free courses for all students of Ramjas by Coursera were organized. Also, in collaboration with CSRBOX, free courses for IBM Skill Build were offered to the students of Ramjas, in which we provided access to over 7,000 courses to make the students' resume and LinkedIn profile stand out. Along with that, we organized a webinar series by the name of ACIT, consisting of several webinars for skill building and personality development, ranging from data analytics to personality development. The biggest initiative of Pinnacle is Alum Connect. It is an initiative to connect with the notable alumni of our institution and improve our relations with them to provide better opportunities for the students. From bringing various companies to the campus and helping students from all disciplines find placement in various public sector, private sector and other institutions to organizing talks, study abroad seminars, internship opportunities and workshops for the collective growth of the student body, the placement cell continues to strive towards success. Companies across various sectors such as finance, consulting, audit, taxation, sales, marketing, operations, research, education, IT, media, digital marketing, health and hospitality participated in the campus recruitment process, which saw the participation of numerous students. The recruiters this year included companies such as D.E. Shaw, Ernst & Young, Trace Vista, Deloitte, Byju's, Willis Towers Watson, Bajaj Capital, Mother Dairy and Company, Mindhouse, Philips, KPMG, PwC, Decathlon, Zomato, Josh Talks, Capline Services, and many more. One of the major factors that talk about how good your cell is are the numbers of the placement drive. Pinnacle has managed to register a growth in its numbers every year since its formation in comparison to the year before. This year particularly, Ramjas College continued to enjoy immense confidence from the corporate world and reached greater heights. Pinnacle managed to get over 65 companies on board, offering more than 95 job opportunities. The highest package offered this season has been an incredible of Rs 19.25 lakhs per annum. The average package on offer this year has been Rs 5.6 lakhs per annum. The gross value of the entire drive has been around 5 crores. With internships in 14 plus sectors ranging from consulting, marketing, designing, policy building, along with multiple others, Pinnacle has conducted more than 120 internship drives with more than 250 offers in the session of 2020 and 2021. With the resolve to deliver only the best, we are proud to announce an average stipend of Rs 36,000, with the highest being 67,000. We also have several notable alumni. Mr. Dhritiman Biswas is the Head in Corporate Affairs of Reliance Foundation. Mr. Ranabir Majumdar is the Head of APAC International Communications Uber and also worked in McKinsey. Mr. Anand Vijay Jha is the Chief Public Policy Officer of Walmart India. Mr. Naveed Ahmed is the AVP of Deutsche Bank. Mr. Papon is an Indian playback singer, songwriter and music director. Sir Vikas Bahl is an Indian film producer, screenwriter and director. Sir Prakash Jha is an Indian filmmaker, producer, actor, director and screenwriter. Mr. Manoj Bajpayee is an Indian film actor and a 2-time National Film Award nominee and 4-time winner of the Filmfare Awards. Mr. Vishal Jalota is the Associate Director of Standard Chartered Bank. We have started a variety of social media initiatives and these have been a huge success. These initiatives have received widespread appreciation. We started publishing weekly quizzes in different domains so that we can reach a greater audience and impart multidisciplinary knowledge through our page. One such weekly quiz is the Friday Frenzy, which is a weekly general knowledge business quiz. Another one is Aptitude Mania, which is a weekly quiz on aptitude and logical reasoning. One more of these quizzes is the Trivia Tuesday, which is a weekly quiz on tips and tricks for competitive examination. We have also started Conferium, which is a one-of-a-kind podcast wherein our notable alumni share their experiences and their insights to help the current students in their future prospects. This is a flagship initiative taken by Pinnacle. Another initiative taken by the Cell is that we utilize LinkedIn optimally to search for some of the finest off-campus opportunities and communicate the same to the students through our Facebook group called Pinnacle Beyond Campus. We also take pride in having an active community of over 6,500 followers on our Facebook page and 1,300 followers on Instagram. These followers add to our increased engagement and interaction with students productively and innovatively via various training and development series. Nowadays, the market is very much demanding, and we often come across the issue regarding the level of higher education not meeting the industry expectation. To bridge this gap and equip the students with new age technologies, seminars and workshops play an imperative role. Ensuring a proper flow of knowledge, seminars and workshops assist in passionate interaction and active participation, boosting the skills and expertise of students. Pinnacle has hosted a range of workshops including ACIT, a webinar series consisting of several webinars for skill building and personality development, which covered the following topics: CV training by CV Owl, College to Corporate by ISB and M, Indian employment scenario and what organizations are looking for by Refier, Jobs versus Training versus Higher Education by Telerank Career Training, Profile Building in collaboration with Foreign Admits. Moreover, regular mock and PI and GD sessions are organized for different fields such as articleship and consulting on weekends, where the panel consists of Ramjas alums who are successfully placed in Big Fours and other reputed firms to equip students with the relevant exposure.
Warm greetings to everyone watching this video. I am Malika Sehgal. On behalf of the entire team of the Ramjas Placement Cell, would like to thank you for coming this far in the video. So talking about the beginning of the session, we were adversely hit by a pandemic, with offers being revoked and companies halting their recruitment processes. But going by our motto, achieving greater heights, we decided to ignore the adversities of the pandemic and framed our twofold objective. First, to create a placement-oriented culture at Ramjas, and second, to make sure that our students are ready for placements and ready for a long-lasting career ahead. So from virtual pitches, cold mailings to relation-building campaigns with the HR teams, the team did every effort to make sure that we onboard top-tier companies for placements and internship opportunities. We at Pinnacle decided to convert our weaknesses into strengths. We decided to launch a virtual initiative called Productivity with Pinnacle, wherein we connected experts from all over the globe from different domains with our students and gave them the first-hand experience of interacting with them. It gave them the much-needed exposure, knowledge and skills which was required for their upcoming placements. We also collaborated with third-party experts such as Coursera and SkillBuild to provide free courses to the students. At this point, I'd like to thank everyone who was involved and who helped us achieve our objectives. Firstly, I'd like to thank our alums who put their best foot forward through the entire year and trained the students in the form of mentorship sessions, training workshops, mock interviews and whatnot. I'd also like to thank the students of Ramjas College who actively participated in all our initiatives, made them a success and gave us their valuable feedback which helped us improve over time. Lastly, I'd like to thank my hardworking team who toiled day and night to make sure that we achieve the objectives we decided in the beginning of the session. With this, we come to an end of the video. I really hope that you liked all our initiatives and the progress that we've made over the past 1 year, and assure you that we'll continue to work with the same diligence and hard work over the coming years as well. Thank you.